What's going on, stackers? So in this video I've got a red hot KDP niche that you might want to check out. So welcome back to StackinProfit. My name's Paddy and over here we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. Now this video is actually part of a playlist that I have been putting together all about red hot KDP niches, and if you want to see those videos and that playlist, I'll link it right there right now in the right hand corner. So let's go straight over to Amazon and let me show you this niche. So this niche is in the dog niche, and what you want to be targeting is dog colouring book for puppy lovers. So this is kind of a sub niche within the dog niche. If you were to try and create just a dog colouring book, there's going to be so much more competition. So I've actually pulled this up just here, and for dog colouring book under books we have 50,000 results. So it would be fairly hard to start making sales just with dog colouring book. But once you start niching down and looking for different keywords, then you can come across some really good keywords like this one. So dog colouring book for puppy lovers. So we're looking under all, and then in a minute we'll take a look under books as well, because I do like to take a look under both. But with this, the SPT score, Self-Publishing Titans, is giving it a 47%, and there's only 4,000 results compared to those 50,000 results. I know that's under all, but it's the same under books as well, which you'll see in a minute. Now, if we actually take a look at this, the number of proper results is 4,585. The average BSR is really good with 116,000. And if we take a look through this first page, let's go past the sponsored post, we can see these books just here with really great BSRs. So 147,000, 39,000, 2,000, 21,000. So we can see that this is a really great niche. That's dog colouring book for puppy lovers. Now I just want to note real quick, if you're actually interested in creating colouring books and you want to learn exactly everything that I now know about creating colouring books, then click that link down in the description below to check out the LCB Vault. We have 4 courses in here now, and our recent one is Simple Colouring Books, where I teach you how I personally create my colouring books, and I share 100+ niches. So if you're interested, click that link down below and come and check out the vault. So back to here, we checked out under all. Under all, it looks really good with a 47%. Remember, if you know anything about me and using this Chrome extension, I like anything above 40% because you can still find some really great niches. Now let's check under books, and then nearer the end of the video I'm going to show you where you can get all the graphics and colouring pages for this type of book as well. But now under books we can see that it's 53%, so it's actually a bit of a better score than just under all. And if we look here, the average BSR is 148,000, and again there's only that 4,000 results. Now me personally, I think 4,000 results isn't that many, and if you actually look through all the pages for this under books, then you'll see that come the 5th, 6th, 7th page that the books aren't actually related to this keyword. Now let's actually scroll through this first page and take a look at some of these BSRs. I'm sorry, that just made me chuckle. Dog Butt, an off-colour adult colouring book for dog lovers. That's a really, really great book just there. So let's take a look. Again, pretty much the same books. 147 BSR, well, 47,000, 39,000, 2,000. So look at that, 2,000 BSR. And if we take a look at the rest, we can see these BSRs are really good. So this is a really, really great niche. That's dog colouring book for puppy lovers. Now remember, if you wanted to create just a dog colouring book and you didn't really do much research, you just created a dog colouring book and that's what you tried targeting, you're going to struggle to make those sales because the 50,000 results. But if you niche down, you can always find keywords that have a lot less competition, like this dog colouring book for puppy lovers. So that's the keyword, that's the niche. I think it's a really great niche. Now, where do you get these graphics? Well, obviously my favourite place, and that is Creative Fabrica. Now from here, I just typed in, let's do that again, dog colouring pages, because you can actually find colouring pages or dog colouring pages here on Creative Fabrica, which is also good. I always do recommend to always modify the page slightly so it's not the same as everybody else's. But from here, look, so we got some really nice ones here. So if we take a look and open this, I'll try and link this page right down in the description so you can go through and take a look. Disclaimer, it will be a little affiliate link, so I will make a small commission. Now with this one, let's take a look at this seller. So from here, we saw that we got a couple of dog colouring pages. So we're going through, taking a look at the seller, and then I like to use the search bar on the specific designer. So not this search bar up here, but this one down here. And now I just type in dog and see what comes up. So for this seller, there's actually quite a few. We have these that we could check out. We have another one just here, and even more just there. So not that many, but there's still quite a few. And then if we take a look at some more, I'm pretty sure there's other ones. Here's another one, and here's another one. So I really like this seller. If we open up this in a new tab as well, we can actually see what they've got by using their search bar. So let's type in dog, see what pops up. So let's go a little bit more specific, colouring page, and there we go. So on here, there's actually quite a few that you could use. There's 3, 6, 8. So not including that one, but there's 8 dogs that you could use for your colouring pages, which is also pretty good and efficient. Now, if we actually look on Creative Fabrica again, so that's 2 sellers that I found just on the first page where you can find dog colouring pages. There's even more just here for this seller as well. So there's actually quite a lot, which is always good. But what you can also do is just type in dog clip art and see what comes up. Then if any of these have the EPS or the SVG like this, they give us the SVG and the EPS. This means we can actually modify this graphic into a colouring page using free softwares like Gravit Designer. Now I do have a video lined up very soon where I'm going to show you how to get graphics like this with the SVG and the EPS and actually turn them into colouring graphics completely for free. So I should have that video coming out over the next few weeks. Now this one would be perfect, so let's actually take a look at this. Just give that a second to load up. There we go. Do they give us the EPS or the SVG? So it's got the zip file, PNGs, JPEGs. So that's unfortunate. So with this one, which is a real shame, we wouldn't be able to use that because again, we need that SVG or the EPS so we can modify. What a shame, because they are really nice graphics. But you can see for dog colouring book for puppy lovers, if you wanted to create that, there's plenty of graphics over here on Creative Fabrica to get you started, as you can see. So if you're interested, come through, take a look, go and get the SPT Chrome extension. If you haven't already got it, type in dog colouring book for puppy lovers and then see if it's a niche that you want to actually create that book around. Because there's so much graphics here on Creative Fabrica, it would actually be relatively easy to create this book. So again, come through and check it out. And remember, if you want to check out even more niches, then come over to the channel. I am going to link this in the right hand corner anyway, but you can always come over to the channel, come to playlists, and check out just here, Red Hot KDP niches. Or if you're on the home page on my channel, you can come all the way down. So let's actually go to home. You can come all the way down to just here and check out all these niches that I have put together for everybody to check out. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.